How to create African folktale stories like this.
The sun sat high over Ijira, a village nestled deep in the heart of Nigeria. It was market day. Among the villagers was Princess Adora, daughter of King
Okay,
Abin.
so I'll be teaching you today how to create African folktale stories with good characters, how you can generate your images, how you can generate your videos, how you can generate your narrator's voice, or you use your voice as a narrator's voice. Like there's a lot of different scenes, how to put in different scenes like so.
Of the morning was shattered by the arrival of the king's men. They came stomping into the market. Their leader,
You can see
Okoro,
the voice actually aligns with the action. A lot of people, their African folktale stories, voices don't align with actions, action don't align with the voices. Yes, I'll be teaching you all that today, step after step. Hi, my name is Okobuchi. On social media, I teach you how to monetize a social media platform, how to edit videos, how to grow on social media, and how to work with AI tools. So this AI tool I'll be teaching you today is for you to create perfect African folktale stories for your channels, okay? Let's go and learn how to do this and make money. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and don't forget to comment in the comment section any other thing you want me to teach you about editing, AI, or anything about growth on every social media platform. Just comment in the comment section. Let's go, let me show you how to do that. So in today's lesson, this is where we start, okay? I'll take you guys, walk you down through step by step. So we started on ChatGPT. So this is ChatGPT. Let me show you how I started, okay? So I said this is let's go to the start. So this is the first prompt. Yeah, I said a story about an African princess in Nigeria and some village women fighting with king's men in the village square on a market day. Make it with anger, because I wanted the anger something inside. Now ChatGPT gave me the story. Okay, this is the story. I'll not go into the story, but yeah, you can just watch the screen slowly because I'll push it through slowly. Okay, so you get to read it. So this is the story. And you can screenshot the story as well, or screenshot my prompt if you want. So this is the story like that. So at the end of the day, because I used make it with anger, ChatGPT told me this is against their policy, blah, 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 but they still gave me the story, okay? Now I said, please give me prompt to generate images for each scene with their characters, all dressed in African outfit. So ChatGPT gave me a prompt. Again, please, you can screenshot or slowly record this. Yes, it no pass like this, truth be told. Now you can record or you screenshot my prompt. So you can read the first one. A lively Nigerian village market scene on a sunny day filled with women selling yam, basket, clay pot, and all those things. You all know, yeah, we are we are that. And then the king's soldiers, arriving the king's soldiers and all that in a prompt and all that. Okay, so this is how it was. Now I went ahead and told ChatGPT, after they've given me this prompt, right? After ChatGPT have given me this prompt, I went to DALL-E and I generated these images. Now here on ChatGPT, you have DALL-E. You can come to DALL-E and tell DALL-E whatever you want, and DALL-E will give you these images because I already generated the prompt. Or if you're following, you know we already generated the prompt. Now you copy your prompt and paste it here in this messenger. Just paste it there, and DALL-E will actually give you this information. Okay, now why I should copy this. Let me get the prompt. Okay, this is what DALL-E actually gave me. Okay, so we are back in the story. Okay, now ChatGPT gave me this prompt. These are the prompts. After ChatGPT gave me these images, what I did, or after DALL-E gave me these images, what I did was to go to my browser. I went straight to my browser, and when I got to my browser, I actually opened you guys will ask me again, this Viva Go AI app. That is the name of the app. The Viva Go AI app, you come here. This is where you click your images to videos. Okay, when you're done, you click on the plus. When you come here, register, please make sure you register. When you register, you click here on the plus button here, and they'll tell you to bring in an image. Now you bring in this image. When you bring in this image, you come here, they'll ask you which size. Choose this 16. 16.9. If you're doing the YouTube, if you're doing TikTok, choose the 9.16. Now when you're done doing this, you click on confirmed, right? You click on top of confirm, and it will generate a video for you. Okay, so you need to actually wait for it to generate a video for you. You just put in, and you put in the prompt, the description prompt. That's your prompt that you copy. You need to put it in here. Okay, then you click on generate, and it will generate for you. You give it time because it takes time. Okay, so let's wait for it to generate, and let's give it some time. Okay, so it will generate for you. Now while we are waiting for it to generate, let me show you what I did, because I don't want this video to be long. After this must have generated and you have all your videos, you take them to CapCut. When you get to CapCut, you click on new project. So I have this project already in. This was my project. Okay, this, I'll go back. Let's go back. I'll just take the other project back so I can start from it. So this is the project that I have. What I'll do is here, I'll click. Let me remove this sound because the initial sound was not there. So I'll go back to sounds. I'll click here. I go to sound. Then I go to device. I go to click device, take from your device, and I'll go and take my sound that I already generated. I've taught you guys how to generate sound, and I know everybody knows how to generate. Then you click the plus. So you have your sound in already. So this is my sound. Let's listen, okay?
Sun sat high over Ijira, a village nestled deep in the heart of Nigeria. It was market day, the air thick with the scent of roasted maize, fresh yams, and the chatter of women haggling over prices. Stalls lined the village square, filled with woven baskets, clay pots, and fabrics dyed in bold, beautiful colors. Among the villagers was Princess Adora, daughter of King Abinse. Unlike most royal daughters, she was no stranger to the people. She walked among them, talked with them, and understood their struggles. And today she would fight for them. The peace of the morning was shattered by the arrival of the king's men.
So you can see this, right? Now, this is how you add in your voice. If you want to add in your own voice to be telling the story, but I already had a narrator voice, and you can increase your voice from here,
The sun,
right? So I
the
already
sun
had in
set
a narrator. I already had a narrator voice, and I did not want to do too much, right? So all you need to do is, after doing your story like this, all you need to do is just click here. Make sure your aspect ratio is at 1080p, and then you click on export, and you export your video. Your video is ready. So it's about the getting your images and going to generate your voiceover or your narrator voice, and then bringing it on CapCut. And on CapCut, you just have to put everything together on CapCut. So you can see here, I duplicated some of the images. Yes, I did, because you cannot have long videos with these AI tools these days. So you duplicate your images. Let's say I posted that one, then I duplicated and reposted it again, because the storytelling needed to get to here. So when it got to the basket in the square, the village square, I had to put this ones with the clay pot and all that. Then Adora, I needed to put a half picture of Adora before putting in the animation, so it aligns the same time. Okay, so this is what you do for your African folk tales, my dear. Okay, but if you don't understand this, ask me question in the comment section. And if you want to understand more, enroll in my course. Like, yes, my course is ongoing, and yep, you can enroll. Okay, click the link on my bio. It takes you to my Telegram, and join my AI course to learn more. Thank you.